Let's draw two pictures together of Anna and Elsa, and I'll tell you two stories about them while we draw. One sunny day in Arendelle, Anna decided to teach the children of the village how to paint. She gathered everyone in the castle courtyard and brought brushes, paints, and big blank canvases. "Today, we'll paint what makes us happiest," Anna said, her cheerful voice echoing in the air. The children were thrilled, and they all started painting colorful flowers, animals, and beautiful landscapes. Anna herself began painting a picture of the castle surrounded by the sparkling fjord, her heart filled with joy as she watched the children explore their creativity. As the day went on, a little girl named Lila accidentally spilled her paint, leaving a big, messy splash on her canvas. She looked up at Anna with worried eyes, expecting to be scolded. But Anna only laughed and said, "That's not a mistake. It's the start of something amazing." Anna helped Lila turn the paint spill into a vibrant, swirling rainbow. The other children were inspired and started experimenting with splashes, swirls, and handprints, creating unique, lively artworks. Soon, the courtyard was filled with laughter and colorful masterpieces that looked like a magical explosion of happiness. When Elsa arrived to see what was happening, she smiled and used her icy magic to create sparkling frames for each painting. The children's eyes lit up as their art transformed into shimmering treasures. "You've all made something truly special," Elsa said, proud of Anna's idea to inspire creativity. At the end of the day, the children took their framed artwork home, their hearts full of joy and their hands covered in paint. Anna knew she had helped create not just art, but memories that would last forever. Now, let's start drawing Elsa and her beautiful story. One quiet winter morning in Arendelle, Elsa decided to do something special for the village children. She invited them to the castle's courtyard, which was covered in sparkling snow. "Today, we're going to paint, but in a magical way," Elsa announced with a warm smile. Instead of regular canvases, Elsa used her icy powers to create large, crystal-clear ice panels that glittered in the sunlight. She handed the children enchanted brushes filled with colorful paints that wouldn't melt the ice. "Let's create art that shines like the winter sky," she said, inspiring everyone to begin. The children excitedly painted on the icy panels, their imaginations running wild. One painted a glowing aurora, while another drew animals skating on a frozen lake. Elsa joined in, painting a majestic ice castle surrounded by snowflakes. As they painted, Elsa used her magic to animate their artwork. The painted birds began to flutter, and the aurora shimmered across the ice. The children gasped in delight, amazed at how their creativity came to life. The courtyard soon turned into a magical gallery of moving, glowing paintings. When Anna arrived and saw the children's excitement, she couldn't help but join in. Together, the sisters created a masterpiece, a giant, sparkling tree filled with colorful, moving scenes of Arendelle's happiest moments. As the sun set, Elsa froze their paintings into snowflake shapes and gave one to each child as a keepsake. "This is more than art," Elsa said with a smile. "It's a piece of our imaginations to carry forever." The children left with glowing hearts and magical memories, eager to tell everyone about their enchanting day with Queen Elsa. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.